Good evening, disciples. Good evening. See, key zones are most important. Actually, I was interested to sell from this zone, so only I couldn't able to sell it down. Morning sessions, we had a bad phase around around how many lots losses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also I taken one trade. Yes. Hi, good evening, Rocky. Good evening. Good evening. So it may remains in this zone as of now. It may remains in this zone till the news is there. Until this news is there. Not. We cannot take very light due to nowadays news are very informative and very situation is happening. Even to this one also situation is happening. Just already trade is running, then again we don't want to take a trade until the sweep is there. Just I'll keep it at 5 minutes. Any small scalp they can do means they can go for a scalp towards up to this. Okay, this is the good zone for selling. Supply zone availability is there on this zone here, but the thing is my TP is here. I have not taken now. I have not taken this trade now. This was around exactly 330p. Yeah. I posted in Telegram group also. Welcome, Rocky. Welcome. Today you are first. I'm not well, Rocky. I'm not well. I don't know. I don't want to do the live sessions. Just casually I saw the phone. So trade was running. It was huge today. Back to back. See, back to back I have made it. See this? 4,000. In the selling. And you're buying again. See here, selling. Here this zone sellings I got it. And here buying I got this zone. Because I was confident that market will definitely tend to sweep this side. Which side? This side. This first side. Up to this zone. See, that is the mentality and maturity will be having. Already stop losses was here. See market how nearly it has came into. Only one thing is good about it is my account is a zero spread. So that is the reason I couldn't got out. Or else no, I would have gone out of this trade and market would have taken later. Upside movement. How is your accounts? I think how is your funded account is running, Rocky? Hope everything is fine. Hope you are doing better nowadays. Good evening, Albi Princess. Thanks for your wishes. Good evening too. Yeah, as of now, this is in just for over the sellers. Huh? What is it? Good, good profit master. You're asking to me or you're saying to yourself? No, each and many of the trades which I posted in Telegram channel also, those earlier trades. Yes, every trade was there. Every trade was it was a huge trade. But unexpected was market will fall from around 431, 436. I was expecting from there, but it has fallen down. That is something new. Even I could. No, scalping is better from this zone up to here because the supply is continuously available from this zone. They tried it first buyers engaged it, then again they tried it and made a fall. So maybe market come to this zone to respect it. Maybe from here rejection is taking means market may tend to fall. Okay, slow and steady. Yeah, expectations are there. Slow and steady market may remain. Don't go for a sell side until this zone is taken up. Once this zone is respected, then you can choose for a selling side option. As of now, don't go for a selling. That's it. I was not interested and see, even small trades can do it down. Go down the profit. Even small trades can do it a profit. But only one thing is which is the key zone we entered. Entering the trades make big sense. Even this I'm saying in the live itself. Even key levels good comparative to Fibo and regarding to supply and resistance. Key levels are what? Same thing. Support and resistance. Supply and demand. Both are everything are similar, but the term is different. That's it. See the buying opportunities. That's it. Okay. See the buying opportunities. Don't go for a sell entries. Sell entries as of now it is very less comparative. If it can remain small sweeps, okay, this sweep we can expect it, but this sweep will be very difficult. See, two liquidity zones are there. Just I'll make it very clear. Okay, this zone is most important as per now. Maybe this can be sweeped up, but this will, if this also sweeps, then market will tend to fall and fall here. This is how market trends. Okay, if this is sweeping again, it will take one consolidation, then again it will be. And this zone we should be very careful because this is the support zone. Overall, if you take a 4 hours time frame, it's a key support zone. Okay, it's a key support zone where market tend to reverse again. So rejection from this zone, rejection from this zone, rejection from this zone, then again fall, again up, again fall. These levels are important. So that is the reason just I'm saying. The same supply zone is rejection. From here it has got a rejection. So, but see, if market wants to fall, second candle itself will try to fall it up. This is what means this is all consolidation for this HRM time frame. Maybe market may reverse and it may take my liquidity. I saw here around $11,000. Okay, it may take a liquidity. Everyone can ask, Master, should have booked it? No. Already made a good profit. So risking the profit itself, we can make a more profit. If we are risking the capital in the sense, it may be difficult. I always says to my students that risk should be done on the profit, not on the capitals. Okay, once the capital becomes double, in the sense, if $1,000 are there, $1,000 into $1,000, it will become a $2,000. Then second, in the sense, after the break even, $2,100 also, $100 you can take a risk. In the proper example, you can take $10 each, 10 trades risk, like that I would say. No, that is not a big lot size. This is a 4 lot size which it's running. Maybe market even it may come to the same zone. Chances are there. At least here it may respect it also. Chances are there. Okay, just it's accumulation. The zones all buy sell accumulations are there. See, market in the key zone, directly it will come and not respect. It will respect, sweep, and then it will go. It's taken a W. If you see properly, it's like almost like a W1. Okay, this is the first supply zone. It has broken it out with very confident. It has broken down. Then again, it is trying one channel, making towards the higher highs and higher lows. This is the first low and this is the second low. Okay, channels are running it out. Let it run. Just we'll see. This zone is good for selling. This zone is good for selling. Wait it for it. Once this zone is reached, you can go for a selling. Or else if you are going for this one opportunity, until EMA crossover is happening, wait it for it, then do a scalp. Small scalp, you can do it down around how many pips are there here. If below it's 160 pips left over is there. This market may remain like this and like this. If market is not sweeping this high or any recent high, means here we have a chance of falling into. That time you can take a selling side. Always scalpers should choose both the sides. Okay, it's like a both the side coin in the carom board. Either opponent side teammate coin we can aim it down, either we can choose our side goal also. Both the sides as a scalper we can choose it down. If you are an intraday trader, any other sides, like either if you want to go for a buying side, either you want to go for a selling side. If market isn't sideways, in the sense in this zone example, just I'm saying in this zone example, that time you can choose a high side as a seller, downside as a buyer. Downside as a buyer, then here to the resistance you can become a seller. That's it. That is called as a scalping method. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. Don't go deep into this one. Whatever updates which I'm giving to you guys, in a sense in Telegram channel also, that is all proper news. Okay, what is happening in the Bitcoin, what is happening in the commodity, what is the geopolitical news is happening, everything which I follow, filter that with a less and just I'll give information to you guys. That's all. Okay, we'll sit and watch what is going to happen. And two things are there. One is buy side from this zone up to this zone. If you're interested for a good selling, means wait for it, because if market closes any bullish candle over here, means then market tend to move slowly upside, and it will try to make a good fall over here, because market wants to go, means it should have gone from here itself, not like this. If it's going slowly, see equal lows it has made. Just a minute. See, this is the equal lows. Equal lows is always a liquidity hunt for me. Yes, you heard me right. It is a liquidity hunt. Equal lows are not good. Market wants to go, it should have given a sweep here. The sweep is happening, it's 100% sure that market will tend to move upside only. If the sweep is not happening, it's an accumulation process of either any side. Which side sellers are strong means market will tend to fall it down. If buyers are strong means market will tend to break that zone and move it forward towards upside. Marcus is trying to seek this liquidity, either this or this. I think this liquidity is good for at least year. If market is didn't sweep this liquidity, then from here it is fall free can happen like this. Okay, if liquidity sweep is not happening, market may slowly like this, then it can fall like this. Okay, if liquidity sweep is happening, just we'll say one thing like this, then again market tend to try down. It's not happening means this can happen. This two lows can sweep can happen. Then market tend to move it towards upside. Like this can also happen. So as a scalper, we should be always focus on the both the sides. Scalper choice is a beautiful choice, but the only one thing bad thing is here in a scalping, big stop immediately stop loss you will be getting. In the sense, even 1, 2, 3 stop losses also may get it. No one can be like a perfectly saying that immediately I captured. Yes, they will capture, but in what time means only in the news sessions or any peak momentum is happening or any geopolitical news is happening. News folders are better for that. Either stop loss, either profit. We would have seen that one of the news, NFP news, I think so. 600 pips. I kept 1:2 only. But the 600 pips, it has gone market. Overall, if I kept means that day itself, it would have been around $48,000. 4 lot size, I think so. 4 lot or 5 lot I have entered. And whatever the questions you guys have, you have a doubts in regarding the psychology behind that and how this can be possible, that kind of a questions if you have, you can directly ask me. Either anybody. You people always remind me as you as a disciples always will follow the proper knowledge education. If the doubt is there, you can ask me without hesitation. Don't ask for a brokerage, that this brokerage, do some research. Be strong confidence. If I say proudly my Rocky or RB Princess are from earlier stage subscribers means I should feel very proud for them. Okay, don't feel for small capitals or even if you're doing a funded accounts, be very proud for that. Even so many people are not done. And don't think that if I earn better means I can go out of the India. Don't do that. Be strong enough. India is growing. India is future. We are in the initial stage. That's it. Even if we reach around 40-50 years, we will be sitting at the home. We'll be enjoying with the family time. This is what trading will give. Sit at home, sit at bedroom, sit at maybe with a laptop and with a mobile. See the proper knowledge, see the proper psychology, take one trade, sit it down. $6,000 one time, no? It was my per annum salary. Yes. It was yearly salary for me. Trust me. I used to work so much for that for a whole year. But knowledge is there. We can do the wonders. It's not a egoistic languages. It is a confidence. It's the confidence. If you have a confidence, you can do the wonders. If you have a strong enough knowledge, you can do the wonders. Knowledge is power, not the capital. Remember this. Knowledge is power, not the capital. If you think capital is the power, means maybe for a certain time it may be, but for a whole time it will not support you. See, if you failed also, even if you have a knowledge, you can start from zero. But if you doesn't have the knowledge, even million rupees or $1 million can be a waste in front of you. That's why I choose knowledge to give to my disciples, whatever it's doing, and don't read too much of this trading books. That is old school. For present price actions, it will not work. And present geopolitical news is happening. Earlier stage geopolitical news was happening based on agreements. Now geopolitical is happening based on a Twitter. That is true. That is true. It keeps if Trump tweets something, no, Bitcoin prices will jump here and there like that. It's not calculated. Fully gambling is doing in Bitcoin. Just to be, don't know to be harsh, but that is the reality. I was following financial juice around 2 3 years. You should see whatever the news comes, no, Bitcoin will react like that one. Even earlier, Trump was he won the election. That time also, Bitcoin was around 60 or something. It has gone up to 120. I had made good. I have made good. See, this kind of accumulation says that either market will tend to move or break out the recent liquidity. This liquidity now available. In the sense, buyers are sitting here. If buyers try to book the profits, once slowly profit, market may not go, slowly profit booking is, seller once enter, no, market reaction will be too fast towards the downside. Because once buyers has been closing, the buyer who bought here, if he wants to close, means he should do the sell only, right? If I bought here, if I want to close the trade, it will be sell only. Then sell means market will tend to fall down. That is how market works. Okay, slow and steady. If market falls continuously from this zone or this zone, it will be like we can see the market around around 4,000 zone easily. Somewhere here 4,030, 4,030. Easily here. If this zones break here, easily we can see now till up to this 4,030 some area. This breaks and change, we can see the market over here easily, because this is not a good sign. This is not a good sign. Definitely, if I get a rejection from this zone, I will try to enter from here to sell one. See, from proper zone, market is reversing, no? It's a good only. We can, at least we can reduce our risk, I think. Is that we can do. We'll do one thing, we'll keep it in a break even. Actually, now I have not taken that trade. It was around 330 something I have taken that. I am interested selling in from this zone. So that is the reason just I am waiting. If market is 10 to low, slow. Here, market is momentum from this zone only means definitely it will follow. Market is in here itself. Market remains in this zone itself means definitely it will follow. At least market wants to fall means it will take out the clear sellers, this sellers. Yes, yet that zone has been structured. See, we are in the break even. That is the thing. If we see, just ask me, will be from here one level. Here to here. Yes, 132. So 132 is 5,300 and something it is. 100 pips into 4 lot sizes, it's 4,000. This one lot difference in the sense 150 or something the pips is running, that is showing as a 700. That we want to movements. And 32, 136. 100 pips is 4,000 and 36 pips it's overall 5,000. Another 4 candle, if the 4 candle closes somewhere here only, means we'll cancel the trade, means in the sense we will book the profit. Even if it's a choppy market is given good. Morning it was around 3,700 minus it was by 11. My target always sometimes, not every time, sometimes near to 12 pips, 20 pips below only it will get to. Here, there's how many pips? 30 pips. 30 pips only made me risk. If this zones breaks, like this, we'll do one enter. Okay, 1:2. Above here. Everything is in gasoline. Taken here also, SL would have gone here. We taken here also, SL would have gone here, because sideways market and momentum, it will not give that much good profit. The same zone market is coming and respecting means it is not that great idea. This is the best entry. Because the close is stronger means then we'll lose the trade. So that is the reason just I kept it here. More sellers are showing this strong struggling. Due to 1 hour candle close, no? This is showing the respect towards 1 hour candle. This candle. Because this will enter with the small stop loss. Market falls, we'll cut off this too also. We'll claim and we'll keep it here. If goes triggers 2 wins, we might see. If we lose, we'll lose the boat. See, buyers is safe zone. Up to this zone, they are safe. More than this, they are not safe. Okay. More than this, if they are falling means. See, exactly this is a 50% zone. This is the last zone. If market tend to fail this zone, then market may fall further. $11,000 profit now became around 2,900. This is also positive. Candle close is most important. The sellers was there, they got trapped. Not that much, the volume of 700. See, I am upside interested. Downside if goes, I'll not enter because we will lose this trade. We'll lose this trade. In a break even called $100. No, after the SL hit, then market is going also, I'll not enter. Because continuation of downside it may fall. Small one risk. Yes, we take a note. Below this. This is the last. Both the trades below this is it. Market hits, we will lose both the trade. If market reverse, we will lose both the trade. If market gives, it will give us at least good profit. It is not enough. This is Yeah, it's a good entry. If market reverse, we'll consider that is the loss on. 36 pips is there. 36 pips is good risk. Below 50 pips is good risk. And 1 is to 6 is there, but we'll choose as a 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 is somewhere here, right? This is itself 1 is to 3. Before that one, the liquidity sweep has been done. What is we'll sell it. The one is 1400, another one is the break even, which earlier which I take it down. This open timing is 4 o'clock. I have taken 4:3. Okay, that's okay. I'll never feel bad or sad for anything, because sad and feeling doesn't make anything better. There is a chance you can see the liquidity sweep. There is a chance. But this liquidity is availability. Go, do the match. Where is the match? Yeah. Perfect. Because this was the highest volume which entered in the trade. Same entry we are done. One more lot, if we are getting opportunity, we'll enter premium. We made a wrong entry. We'll seek for selling only. Okay, this will be the stop loss and this will be the target. News is there, anything can possibility, anything can, chances are there. It can remain a sideways also, it can remain a profit also. We need one good breakout towards the down. No, this candle formation, I closed it up. That's it. Anything is possible because this was the key level. Market has swept this liquidity. Market may go or else continues this trend. That's it. Two scenarios are there. If market continues this trend, we'll get a TP. If market reverses here, then we'll lose our stop losses. No entry guys, don't do entry. I think because of the new manipulation can be happen, either upside also can happen, either downside also can happen. These two zones may be a strongest because liquidity availability is there below here and even above upside also is there. Here also we have a liquidity, here also we have a liquidity. See, both the scenarios are there, entered in a wrong. Don't enter. If you are entering, do one thing, go for a buy side. If the stop loss is below here, go for a buy side. Buy side is more convincing for me because the news is there. You can ask me, master, you are already told your captain's downside and you're saying for me as a buy side means. See, this was a convinced, but when market closed above this year again, then this is not convinced. Just I'll try to close it down because it is too confusing. Just manipulation, pure manipulation. It comes to the same zone, just I'll close it. Not required profit. Crude oil. Guys, I'll close it down. I'm not interested either both the sides. Don't enter. Only $78. I loosed it up. Don't enter. See, one is 28, another one is 107. Because upside is more convincing compared to downside. I will consider this as a break even because already one is in. I'll keep it here. Wait for this zone to break it out, either buy side or the sell side. Because earlier entries, the people who are made after seeing this candle. See, whenever new entry is happening, majority people what they will do is after seeing one good confirmation only people will start to enter. You remember always this. In 1 minute we'll get an opportunity to see this kind of candles and identify this is the candle. Next candle people would have entered here from here. Because why? Because means this is the confidence candle. This is the confidence candle. In 1 minute we can easily find it out. What is that? In 5 minutes if you go means already market has given see earlier entry who is there means 1 minute time frame people only would have entered earlier, right? So that is the reason I'm saying this. Always this kind of impulsive candles may tempt to move that okay market is in one sided, so either buyer side or the people will wait for this pullback and they'll enter. So thus that candle recent low will be good liquidity zone because people would have entered here in the they will be in below this stop losses only because the stop loss is keeping here it's too high, it will be for them. Good, got outside. Came out here. Three minutes is there. 3 minutes. The market is more means this is the example. News trade, it's almost a gambling only. Don't believe that they will say business and all. News trades are gambling only because immediate momentum will happen either buy side or sell side profit. Two things we can aim it for. One minute availability is there. Just waiting. If it's come positive news, then it's good for gold. Market will boom up. If it's come as a negative means it's good for currency. If good for currency means what will happen? Gold will fall. These two scenarios are there. This is the buffer zones. We have it down. I'm interested in buying comparative to selling. Just pending order will keep. That will be a safest idea. Why? Because If market tend to reverse also, we'll do one thing. We'll keep here only. We'll keep a pending order. If market triggers, it will trigger. Right? Okay. Sell will keep here. Sometimes what happens, sometimes what happens, market tend to give 1 week and fall. That times what happens, it will be too headache for us. Just will keep here. Safer side, safer straight. What is the 83 pips are there? This low will keep. Then it will become 77. Entry also it's not done. It is here. Once entry is done, that is not a red folder news. It's a, how to say it now. It's a medium. Not that great. Pending. Should come positive. If it's a negative, then it will fall off. It's a negative. It is tend to fall. We'll remove this. Because FOMC is there. I don't think again and again we are entering, exiting. Doesn't give any value. Already one trade is in. This is the second trade we entered here. We got a stop loss it. Another one, I was in the selling interest itself, but failed. We go for an entry. I'm not interested. We'll do one thing. We'll keep this much for today because the news candle made it down. Okay, this is the news candle. It's shown the what's momentum, but I don't think it's strong enough. See the volume. So we'll keep it this much only, guys. Okay, we'll keep it this much only. If you are interested to go, don't stuck in this format. Okay, overall selling side we have, it's a good for selling side comparative to buying. Okay. This low and this high can be a sideways movement, and chances are there at least market may sweep this liquidity. Okay, this liquidity, but overall market wants to go good selling means this is the best place to go for selling. Not for this is not a good place. Take it like this. Yeah, it is there, but overall this is the XNS broker. XNS brokers, what he will do is, if you see the 4 hours candle formation, it will be totally different from trading view. Trading view will be a different, and XNS will be a different. You won't see in a 4 hours candle time frame, it will be slightly different. And whenever the key levels are there, market will sweep the liquidity like a wick itself. But in the trading view, it will be a different candle. Go and see, you'll comes to know. Even in the funded accounts also the similarity will be there, because both brokers will not share you the information of what exactly market is doing. Okay, here and there small tiny 20, 30, 0.10 pips and all, you will not know. You will be thinking, yes, market was in a good selling, no, how come market did not give the target, like that you will be thinking. If you are an early trader, in the sense initial trader means you will be thinking one candle towards your positive side is coming means you will think I'll book the profit, okay. So this is also is there. We'll keep it this much for today. Already it is time 8:04. We'll see in the tomorrow at least what is going to happen. It will tend to say that yes, market will fall because due to the FM. Yeah, this 10:30 news is most important. 10 years actions, and this will be the better. Okay, FOMC minutes. Maybe not that great, but at least the liquidity sweep it may be. It will be slowly here and there, like this. It will invite the sellers and buyers. Okay, to do that, be careful about your capital. At least market has given a good profit, so again why we have to lose it in a wrong stupidity. Okay, we'll keep it this much. If you're go for a selling opportunity where it is there. A good selling opportunity it's here only, not here. If you're going selling here, market one candle reverse also, it do also, then your stop loss it will happen. That too with the 50 pips and all stop losses, you cannot able to survive in this. How much pips I kept as stop loss here? I'll show you it. See, 150 pips I kept a stop loss on this trade. This only one trade. From here to here I kept it and I left over. Market came up to $11,000 here. Okay, I thought at least market will sweep this. In a sense, yes, I was too confident that market will sweep this. But from here only market reversed and came out. So that is good only because CTC is no loss, no this one. We can consider that is there is a no trade we have taken on that. Okay. Okay guys, see you in the next live sessions. See you soon. Love you all. Thanks for watching it. See, no, not even a 1 like people you are done. Huh? At least you should do no. Then when people will tend to see it, then what is this happening. Please hit the like button guys. Hit the like button. And if the new friends, anybody are there in the trading, if they want to learn me, just share the videos. Okay, highlights you can share it down. As of now, you can. No need to do anything. FOMC is there, minute is there. But news is maybe not that great, but chances are there. Manipulation chances are. Just hit the like button guys. See you soon. See you in the next video. You can ask me, master, it was the right trade. No. Can be a trap. See you. Good night.
Miss Missy, Erica, Incense, and Prince brought a joy, man. bold, just pick 'em dry. Sent our secrets to the sky, sent our secrets to the sky. Last night I went to build up my rocket ship, took a trip through the stars, sent my secrets to Mars, pulled up right off the Milky Way, then I put it in bar. Told my son I'ma see him as soon as Jupiter rise. See, we too fly for the function, so we kick it in the cosmos. Too high for the humble, hit the hit till the high slow. Highs on the prize like race horses and blinders, yeah, yeah. We got no fear, yeah. Mix Missy, Erica, incense and Prince, product of joy, magic and muscle. Van McCoy with the hustle. We've been working circles, small as pinky rings. My people play their position, puzzle pieces complete the vision. Yeah, we've been working like the Energizer Bob non-stop. Bad bunnies drive to the drum line now. We've been working, we've been working, we've been working, yeah, we've been working, yeah, we've been. Last night I took my pen and my pencil and took a trip out the universe. Verses sweeter than cinnamon, rehearse and repeat my verses.